Hello bachcho. So let's read the question. Which of the following statement is incorrect for carbon monoxide molecule? Option A says intramolecular Lewis acid base interaction is present. Option B is charge separation is present. Option C says sigma bond, pi bond and back bond all are present together. Option D says direction of dipole moment is from carbon to oxygen. So let's see the solution. And first we will draw the structure of carbon monoxide, that is, this is carbon double bond oxygen, and these are the lone pair for oxygen atom and these are the lone pair for carbon atom. Okay, so as we know that here the carbon atom has incomplete octet. Carbon has incomplete octet in this compound. Okay, और क्योंकि यहाँ पे ऑक्टेट इनकम्प्लीट है तो ऑक्सीजन अपने लोन पेयर डोनेट करेगा कार्बन को और उसके पास पॉजिटिव चार्ज आ जाएगा और कार्बन के पास नेगेटिव चार्ज आएगा। और क्योंकि कार्बन के पास नेगेटिव चार्ज है तो कार्बन हो जाएगा मोस्ट इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव इन दिस मॉलिक्यूल। कार्बन विल बी मोस्ट इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव एलिमेंट okay in this molecule. So as carbon is more electronegative than oxygen, so the direction of dipole moment will be towards carbon atom like this. Okay, so this is the direction of dipole moment. So option D will be incorrect because it says direction of dipole is from carbon to oxygen, but this is incorrect statement. Direction of dipole moment, as I have shown, it is towards carbon atom because the oxygen has donated its lone pair to carbon atom, and due to this reason there will be a negative charge on carbon and positive charge on oxygen. So option D will be our correct answer. Correct answer for this question will be direction of dipole moment is from C to oxygen. So this is only the incorrect statement. Hope you have understood it well. Best of luck.